Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are out here cruising around just for a few minutes, and then we are gonna actually head to the lot. Oh man, he ate it. She alright? You alright? She alright. Probably more embarrassed than anything. It's usually how it ends up happening. Woo, little bump. Oh! Trying to be like KGRowlo. Little trail action on the Grom. You got this one, or you want to cut over the bike path? This dude really keeps me dropping back. Keeps me on my A game with the handbrake. Look, I'd be out wheeling him. Dirt bike action. That dog about got you, boy. We're getting somewhere.
Later.
The lot from my house is only like 7.5 miles, so there and back is a total of 15 miles. Hey, buddy. So I know I have plenty of battery to get there and get back. It's how much do I ride it at the lot before it's like, okay, we need to stop because we need enough battery to get home. I know on my EP range test I did on this thing, I got like 34 or 35 miles and I had like 16% battery left. And all in all, honestly, I probably could have got another 5 miles out of it, but that would have been pushing it. So a total of 40 miles. If I spend 15 miles traveling, I should at least have another 15 miles to ride at the lot. And when you break 15 miles down inside of a small lot, you know, that's a pretty good amount of riding. I don't know what they got going on here. I'm hoping I can get all the way to my buddy's house without leaving 100%. Damn, my guy's got the leans. Got to your house with still 100%. Yeah, I was creeping over here. EP mode like, ee. Yeah, yep, all electric. Nice, you like it? They're fun. They do that every time you start your bike? Oh my god.
Every time when I pull in at night, start yapping.
Hey, well, at least you know nobody will break into your garage. I want to do wheelies, but at the same time, I want to save my battery as much as I can. Oh no! We dropped 1%. We gotta go back home and charge. Nah, I figured I would burn about 10 to 15% to get there. Nice. A little dirt bike action with her son, with his son, or his daughter. On a little CRF 250L, or 230L, whatever that was. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Doggo about got smashed though. Turbo mode. Alright guys, we made it to the lot. 80%, so from a full charge down to 82%. I think it's time for some new gloves. Oh shit, this dead ends. I thought it kept going. Ah! Oh. Stolen. Right out from underneath you. Ew. No! We all headed back to the house with 54% battery. The battery actually lasted a lot longer than I thought it would have. Oh no. You silly ass. Alrighty guys, we are on our way back to the house, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I upload new content every Sunday and Thursday, and I hope to see you guys there. Till next time, peace out.
Bye, have a great time.